Alright, you can start now.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you today?
Uh, Not bad.
Not bad. Okay. Okay, today I would give you some question about speaking practice. A day life in the life of a waitress. So speaking part one, what's your name? What's your full name?
My name is Puturisna Noviani.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Lovina, Buleleng Regency.
Great. Are you currently working or studying?
For now, I'm currently working while the studying.
Okay, still studying, right? So have you ever worked in the service industry?
Yes, I have experience working in the food and beverage service industry.
Great. And what do you think are the main responsibilities of a waitress?
I think the main responsibilities as waitress are upselling the menus, keep clean the table and restaurant area, and also provides the best service for customers.
Great. It's that your responsibility, right? So, what do you enjoy or find challenging about food service job?
I want challenge uh, at at the first time I joined the food and beverage service industry, but now I have enjoyed my jobs.
So you just feel challenging when your first job, right?
Yes.
So, would you prefer working during the day or night shift, and why? Give the reason.
Actually, I like both, but now I prefer morning shift because in the middle of June season in Lopina, there are so many guests comes in the morning for breakfast and stay until afternoon for lunch.
So you can get more tips and more overtime, right?
Yes.
Right. And then, do you think being a waitress helps improve communication skills?
Yes. It can helps to improve my communication skill for better.
Great. You can practice from the your job, right?
Yeah.
Okay, for the second part, speaking part two. It's long. This this section is you supposed to speak by yourself around 3 till 4 minutes. Okay, so describe a typical day in the life of a waitress. You should say where she works and what kind of place it is, what her daily tasks and schedule are, what challenges she faces during her shift, and explain what you think are the most important skills for a waitress. So you can think by yourself or not. Yeah, you can start now.
Well, I work in Sebres restaurant uh, at the beach in the Lovina, and the daily my daily activities is to serve the guests, for serve the food and beverage for the guests. And the challenges I got is I uh, I can miscommunication with my teamwork about the bill and about the order. And for the most important skill is I can get uh I can get improve my serve skill for
Mhm.
customers.
So you can improve your skill, right? When you work as a waitress, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So we will continue for the third part, speaking part three, discussion for till 5 minutes. So the first question: what are some advantage and disadvantage for of working as a waitress?
For the advantage, I can improve my communication skill and learn about how to serve customer for the best. And for disadvantage, is I can miscommunicate with my friends or my teamwork about the bill.
Oh, sometimes you get like trouble, right? It's normally.
Yeah.
Okay. For the second question, how important is customer service in the food and beverage industry?
Very important because waiters and waitress can serve food and beverage for customer, and customer can enjoy the food and drink.
Okay, great. Third question, do you think waitressing is undervalued as a profession? Why or why not?
I think yes, because waiter and waitress provide to serve the guests for the best way.
Great. And then fourth question, what kind of training should a waitress receive before starting work?
Training should be such a provide like observation the area, learn
Mhm.
about the menu, and learn about the table manner.
Okay, you must answer all right.
Mm.
Okay. And then fifth question, how can technology impact the daily tasks of waitresses today?
Sometimes the technology interrupting us while we are to focus
Mhm.
on our phone, and sometimes we are forget to handling the customers because we are to focus on social media. But now the customers mostly give food review, drink, and the place
Mhm.
via social media.
Oh yeah, there's more easy to get feedback from the guest, right? From the phone, right?
Yes.
So, sixth question. What role does teamwork play in restaurant service?
Is our team keep helping during the crowded situation?
Okay. Second. How can cultural knowledge help a waitress working with international guests?
Because cooperate with international guests can teach us how to survive in that country and teach us how to open minded, how to be open minded.
Yeah, international guests made you more open minded, right? That's
Yeah.
good. Can get new things from them. Okay, the last question. Should customers always tip their waiter and waitresses? Why or why not?
Um, for me, no, they should not, because there are countries not require the customer to give tip for waiter or waitress, and there are countries
Mhm.
uh, should not give the customer to give tip for waiter or waitress.
So it's all depend about where they come from, right? Where country they
Yeah.
come from, right?
Yeah, based on
Great.
experience, do you usually get tipping from the guests?
Sometimes.
Okay, yeah. So when you do
Good.
good service, then you got tipping.
Yeah, you will get tips, right?
Okay, yeah. Sounds good. Yeah. Okay. Is that enough, Dwi?
Enough. Yeah,
Yes.
it's enough.
Okay. Thank
Thanks
you.
for the time.